right, let's do this 10-minute ab workout. We're gonna lay it on down, lay flat. We're gonna do some roll-ups. You're gonna bring your hands behind your head, elbows are gonna be flat. You're gonna have a nice neutral spine. And from here, you're going to exhale and roll it on up. Make sure to keep those elbows nice and wide. I like to reach forward, sit up nice and tall. Inhale down as you go. When you come on up, you're gonna exhale it up, pushing your head into your hands, roll it on up. Move my mat here, excuse me. Roll it on down. We're just gonna start off the morning engaging those core, stacking the spine, inhaling straight out, inhaling right back up. Want a little modification? You can reach those arms above you. A little bit more challenging, reaching up to the ceiling and then reaching out with your toes. Bring it on up, continuing it, starting with these roll-ups to get our abs working for our 10-minute ab burnout. Keep it going. Couple more here, keep the belly pulled in, exhale all the way up, rolling forward, once again stacking that spine, and then coming on up. All right, get that spine warmed up. Let's bring our legs up into tabletop, and then let's bring them straight up to here. And we're gonna do some corkscrew. You can bring your hands to the side, lay that head down. Having some issues here with my headset. Rolling it on down, and rolling it on up. If you wanna do more, you can bring the head up, hands behind your head, rolling up and around. Circling it around, getting those obliques engaged, up and around. Let's switch it to the other side. I sometimes like to put my hands under my hips to protect my lower back. I can bring it down lower, up and around. You could also lay your head down, but I have this headset on. It's a little harder for me to do that, but I'm gonna bring it up and around. One more time. All right, bring those knees into your chest. Let's roll it down, stretch it on overhead. And from here, let's get straight into V-ups. So there's a lot of different ways that you could do this. You can start here. We could roll it up into your knees, into your chest. Inhale all the way down. You want it more challenging, you can roll up. Oops. Straighten those legs and roll it right back down. A lot of ways to modify this one. Once again, you're going to exhale up, straighten those legs, inhale right back down. Continue on this series. You can keep your arms and legs straight the whole time, and then right back down. Modifying for you, however it works. Personally, for me to get out of my lower back, I need to bring my knees in, straighten my legs, bring them down, and come right back down. That's what works for me. Coming on up, knees in, toes up, toes down, and then right back down. I don't know about you, but I'm already feeling this in my abs. Anybody else out there feeling this? I am. Let's do it. Shaking is a good thing. Let's make it shake. Last one. Bring it on up. Hold it here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, it's going to come into some kneeling side leg work. Let's get that started. Coming on to your mat. We're going to have your palm go out to the side. Bring your left hand down, right? My left knee is going to be here, right? You can bring your one leg out here. And we're going to be doing some up and over. You can have your hand here. You can have your hand on your waist. Doesn't matter. You don't need to go very high here. Lengthening the leg. Nice, tight. Working on this bottom oblique. Nice and strong. If you have any wrist issues like I do, make a fist of your hand. Come on down. Bring it up and over. Up and over. Let's pulse it up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then circle it forward. You've got it. We're circling it toward the back wall. Now we're circling it here. Keep those hips steady. Abs are pulled in. Let's do it a little bit more. Rolling it forward. We've got it. right hand down. My right wrist is less sore than this one, so I can have my palm down. My knees under my hips. Bringing this out. Bringing it up and down. Focusing on those outer thighs and those obliques, right? Also getting some work in the shoulders here, up and down. Full body exercise. Simple exercise, up and down. Let's do 3 more. 2 and 1. Let's get those abs engaged. They're pulled in nice and tight. Let's pulse it up. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Circle it back. Circling it back. Oops, losing my balance. I'm going to put my hand back on my hip. Either way works. Circling it back. Second side is always harder than the first, right? Rolling it back. Holding it out there. Reaching with the toes. Pulsing it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Sit it on down. Sit into your left hip and reach over with the right side. All right? Just come onto all fours, right? We're going to do push-up, pike, plank combination here. I think it's time for my hair tie. Put my hair back. Let's do it. From here, we're going to keep those elbows nice and tight by our waistline. We're going to come into a nice, strong plank position here, right? So from here, move this up a little bit forward. You're going to come on down, do a push-up, and then just push it up into a plank position. Pull up, upper dog. Coming on out, give me a push-up, and then push it on. Come on out, give me a push-up, exhale back. Come on out, push up, exhale back. Push up, exhale back. Modification, right? Everyone knows the modified planks from class. You can exhale down, jump up onto those toes, inhale back. Or you can just stay on those knees the whole time. Exhale down, push it on back, right? Always ways to modify, just like in our classes, on our machines, you can always modify. Inhale back, come on forward, give me a push-up, couple more here, inhale, exhale down, inhale back. All right, everyone come on to their knees. Let's do a nice little child's pose. Shake it on out. I don't know about you, but I'm breathing hard. Let's do some work in our bellies. Fix my tights. Come on down. Take your arms, right? I kind of hate swimming, right? I hate these exercises, but I find them very effective for that lower back. So we're just going to kick, right? Bring your arms up, our legs out. Right? We're going to do a couple more reps here. Kicking. My abs are engaged. So what you're thinking about while you're kicking is your abs are engaged. You're thinking about lifting your abs up, right? So while you're doing this, your abs are engaged and you're kicking for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Sit it on back. Thread the needle. Bring your right hand under and over onto your shoulder, reaching out with your left hand. Come on up. Inhale, reach it on over. Come on up. All right. That's the end of our 10-minute series. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll be adding more every day. So please continue to check back. And thank you for supporting us while we get through this. Thank you.